What's going on, everyone? Welcome again, and today we'll be comparing the AirPods 3 to the AirPods Pro, which I was able to receive just recently, and I want to go ahead and do the comparison really quick. So let's go ahead and get started off with that. Apple has recently released the new AirPods, the third generation, as well as some MacBook Pros, in which it will be on my next review. So please stay tuned for that, and you want to make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications to see that one coming. And so let's get down to it. So let's go ahead and get those comparisons done. So first of all, one of the things that the AirPods 3 does not have compared to the AirPods Pro is basically noise cancellation. Now the AirPods Pro do come with the actually little silicone pads that you can put on your ear as well into the headphones. The AirPods 3 does not. So even by removing those little tiny silicone pads, it does not fit the AirPods 3. So with that being said, the AirPods Pro feel really comfortable in my ear. So the AirPods Pro against the AirPods 3, AirPods Pro wins with noise canceling. Also, the next one is battery life. Now this is another thing that the AirPods 3 is taking advantage of. So 6 hours of battery life compared with 4.5 hours of listening on the AirPods Pro. So, and then also looking at the charts, you also see that it's up to 30 hours of listening time with the charging case and more than 24 hours of listening time with that charging case. So the improvements are there as far as battery life goes. And they both come with an H1 chip as well as both sweat and water resistant. So that's another plus. And the only differences here is, guys, that both the AirPods Pro and the AirPods 3, they are very, very reliable. Now the AirPods Pro, it is coming in at $249 on Apple's website. You guys can also find it on Amazon. They come in around $197. And for the AirPods 3, of course, you're looking at $179 on Apple's store. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start listening and give you my personal review as far as what I feel in regards to the sound quality that actually comes out with the AirPods Pro and AirPods 3. There's definitely some deep bass here, guys. So this is the AirPods 3 and I'm listening to, and there is bass coming in here. Wow. Okay. So there's some improvements in bass for sure. Okay, so now let's go ahead and hear the AirPods Pro. Okay, this is the sound coming from the AirPods Pro. Okay. So definitely improvement in the bass. So I would say the improvement of the bass comparing to the AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro is, let's say the AirPods Pro, if I were to give it a scale between 1 to 10 as far as bass goes, comparing this with the AirPods 3, the AirPods Pro would be a 7 out of 10, and the AirPods 3 would be like a 9 out of 10, because that's really good. It's really bassy. It's hitting those bass notes and so pretty well. So that's a really good improvement, and I am impressed. So I wasn't expecting that, to be quite honest. But another thing is, of course, you have the advantage of noise canceling. If you want that added, that's something that, of course, the AirPods 3 does not have. But if you're not caring much about noise canceling, but if you care more about how much bass you're getting, how much of the sound is coming out of this headphones, it's really good improvement. And so I would go for the AirPods 3 on this one. And so yeah, that's it, you guys. And if you guys have any other questions or any other tests you want me to do, please leave me in the comment below. Again, my name is Alex, and I can't wait to get the 16-inch MacBook Pro M1 Max, and that review will be coming out soon as I get it here. We'll get the unboxing and a lot of tests in regards to Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut, and so forth. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.